How to patent 3D printing innovations in sports equipment. The 3D printing revolution is widely acknowledged across industries, gaining significant traction in sports equipment with innovations like custom-fit footwear and aerodynamic cycle parts. Patenting these innovations is essential to protect their competitive edge. 3D printing is a game-changer in customization, enabling personalized gear, rapid prototyping, sustainability, and efficiency. It unlocks new horizons by offering perfect fits, emotional connections, data leverage, early engagement, and rapid customization. When crafting a robust patent application, decide on the type of patent, utility patents for functions and design patents for appearance. Provide a detailed description with comprehensive details and visual representations. When navigating the application process, choose the right jurisdiction, considering domestic versus international options and regional patent offices. Play the PCT game for streamlined international filing, consult patent attorneys with international expertise, and maintain agility by staying informed. The patent journey continues with the examination phase, involving office actions, prompt responses, and potential approval or rejection. Maintain and enforce your patent through regular maintenance, portfolio enhancement, infringement monitoring and action. Mastering the 3D printing patent terrain in sports equipment involves recognizing its vast potential and complexities, emphasizing the importance of a well-rounded patent strategy. Setting a solid foundation by securing innovations drives business growth. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.